Okay, guys, Sonny said we're going to try something different with crinkle cookies. And look what we're going to try. Butter pecan. Butter pecan ice cream is my absolute favorite. I've already put it in here. And it smells like butter pecan ice cream. So we're going to try it. These are the simplest cookies ever. We've got 1 cake mix, 1/3 cup of oil. And I tell you, you can't eat them if you put more oil. Because we did down there at the retreat. Because I put too much oil. But 1/3 cup of oil. And then 2 eggs. And that's it for that part. Then you just stir it up real good. Just get your batter formed. And you just have to keep, man, it smells just like that ice cream. Wow. You just have to keep stirring it because with the egg and the oil, it'll get it all mixed together. You'll think it's a little dry. Just keep stirring. So smell this. Oh, and I got something on me.
You got sugar from the grapes.
Oh,
that smells just like butter pecan. Oh, that smells amazing.
it's gonna be interesting.
Dad might eat them because it doesn't actually have pecans. I can't even say pecan. Pecans in it. What are you doing?
Just stirring up because, like I said, it gets a little hard right there at the end. You just have to keep stirring till you get all your mix in it. Momo, don't be loud. Mo's over there busy putting on her makeup. Okay, I'm kind of just smushing it now. Make sure I got all the little pieces of cookie in there. All the bits of cookie dough. That was a hard bit. It's all right. Okay, now we've got it formed. Now we're just going to take our scoop, and this is just a 1 tablespoon scoop. I wish I had an ice cream scoop because then I could just scoop it out in there. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle or anything, guys. You just want to make sure you get it coated really good. Listen, don't be loud. That's pretty. I love that color. Pink. Yeah, pink. And then this is a greased cookie sheet. You can put it on parchment paper. I don't have any. I've got my oven heating to 375. We cook them on 375 for around 10 minutes, guys, and that's it. That's it. Oh, I can't wait to try these. I love butter pecan ice cream. My mama would have loved these.
That's why I like butter pecan. That's one of the things
I know, it brings back a memory.
Well, and it makes me think of Great Day.
That's what I said, it brings back a memory.
Yeah.
So she was a butter pecan ice cream girl.
Butter pecan or black walnut. If
Yes.
they didn't have butter pecan ice cream, she'd want black walnut.
Yeah.
And if they didn't have that, she wanted strawberry.
Yeah. And the only milkshake she wanted was strawberry. Only. She didn't like substituting that. If they didn't have strawberry, she said she'd just do without.
She loved strawberry ice cream.
I'm making these a little big, it seems like, but it's okay. They just have to have room to spread out. Get them on the right. Like I said, you don't have to put them in no ball. I mean, I do sort of kind of ball log them. That's what I call it. Because I don't spend a lot of time getting them just perfect in the ball. But anyhow, guys, I've got these. Now I'm going to finish the rest of them. And then, like I said, I got my oven heating to 375. We'll cook them for 10 minutes. And then we'll come back and show you once they dry cool enough that we can touch them. We'll show them to you. I can't wait. I can't wait. I don't know that they're going to be that big of an impact as far as the way they look because it is a brown dough. So with the white flour and when it crinkles, I don't know that it'll have that big an impact like the red velvet or whatever, but the taste is what I'm excited about. And I guess we're just going to break our diet all around today because Sonny's fixing to, after I get through with this and put it in the oven, Sonny's going to show y'all one of her dump cakes. Or both, are you doing both of them or just one right now? She don't know. But anyhow, she's going to show you the one that goes in the oven, so it'll be ready to go in the oven as soon as I take mine out. So, we'll be back, okay? You want to turn it off for me?
Yeah.
We'll be back, guys.